Action.
Hi, my name's David. I'm co-founder and CEO.
Hi, I'm Gajin, co-founder and CTO.
Hi, I'm Michael, co-founder and CMO.
Before we begin, we'd like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land on which we are presenting today and show our respects. Marketing music is difficult. The biggest issue artists face is getting their music in front of new fans. This is because current methods of marketing are manual and outdated. And as a result, there's no Gen Z engagement, who are the future tastemakers in the music industry.
The solution is SoundSmith. SoundSmith is a marketplace for artists to connect directly with influencers to promote their music.
There is a growing market of 6 million artists who distribute music independently, and this is increasing due to the death of labels and the rise of independent distribution. It is a relatively untapped market that has proven highly effective in helping artists accelerate their career.
Our current business model involves us charging a 20% campaign curation fee for each post. And our model for growth involves us partnering directly with distributors such as SoundCloud, who represent millions of artists.
Like all businesses, SoundSmith has a few competitors. However, our competitive advantages are: one, we're a scalable marketplace. We allow artists to work with many influencers in one campaign. Two, we pride ourselves on transparency, and we provide artists with in-depth influencer data that allows them to understand who they best want to work with. Three, we have a secure payment and escrow system in place, which protects both the artist and the influencer through these transactions. Lastly, our product is data-driven, and we provide things like automatic reporting back to the artist to help so that they can best understand the return on investment they get through using SoundSmith.
Here are a few screenshots of the product. This is the view of the marketplace, and this is the view of the back end.
Having bootstrapped ourselves this far, we have onboarded 300 influencers and 10 influencer agencies to grow our social reach to over 470 million. We are beginning to partner with distributors, including Symphonic Distribution. We have worked with 5 record labels and have worked with over 40 artists, having generated millions of impressions and over $1,000 USD.
This is our team. I'm CEO, and I'm currently work in the music industry and music marketing and have for a number of years. Our CTO, Gajan, has worked in machine learning at Intel and distributed systems at Amazon and has a deep passion for the music industry. And Michael, our CMO, has worked in music marketing, events marketing, and for an extended period of time. From our point of view, what we're looking to get out of MAP is to really focus on building our custom portals on our marketplace, as well as implement strategies for growth through marketing by utilizing marketing campaigns to grow our influencer and artist roster, as well as opportunities to work with mentorship and establish an artist fund to give back to the community through working closely with local Australian artists. Thank you.
Thank you. What was that?
That was 3 minutes 20. I don't